So you see how it's just a little bit louder. It's not too harsh on the ears, but then you're gonna just like, see what I mean? I always do, while I'm like, even when I'm just doing the general like foundations of the track, I'll already be brainstorming and having ideas like constantly throughout. See how it just comes up, and yeah, you could add maybe a little bit of reverb trail on it as well. Let's just try chroma third, but like really like not quite like low amount of wetness to it. Not much, maybe like 1 second, okay, not much distance, I think. See how it sounds. See how it just goes, so it's like, just has a little, might get some, that can be quite dry. Like drums are still quite dry, but then that comes in with a little bit. And that's how I kind of build my atmosphere in my tracks. I'll just add things like that.